Before you can install SQL Backup on your servers, you need to learn about the security requirements. The person performing the installation must be a member of the sysadmin role on the instances and a member of the local administrators group on the servers. There are two security models you can use. One method is to use one service account that will run the service and connect to the SQL server. The other method is to have a service account and a separate SQL login that connects. If you want to use the one service account, the account should be a domain service account, a local service account, or a built-in account. So choose one of those. The service account must have logon as a service right and permission to several registry entries. Luckily, the installation takes care of these two items for you. There are also several folders where the account needs permission. Please take a look at the documentation for a complete list of the registry entries and folders. You must also give the account modify permission in any folders or shares where it will create or store backups. This includes the default backup folder defined in the SQL Server properties. And finally, the account must be sysadmin in the SQL Server instance. In the second model, you'll need to set up a SQL Server login that is a member of the sysadmin role. The service account still has the same requirements as before, except that it will not need permission to the SQL Server.